Competition is fierce in this jungle. To survive, these fish need to be quick and smart, whereas other species take it more leisurely. These capuchin monkeys roam the trees, always on the hunt for a delicious snack, but at the same time, they are being hunted. A school of piraputanga fish follows the monkeys wherever they go. But why? Capuchin monkeys call the canopy of the jungle their home. They're incredibly smart, and when it comes to foraging for something to eat, they can be absolutely ingenious. In the rocky west of Brazil, they use stones to crack nuts, one of the rare examples of an animal using tools. But here in Brazil's Amazon region, capuchins don't need to overexert themselves. The world's water-richest river cuts its way through the lush green jungle. Life is a little easier here. In the trees overhanging one of the Amazon's many smaller branches, there's no need for ingenuity. This capuchin family can easily reach the tasty fruits they love to feast on. Excellent news for the piraputanga. These fish mainly live in rivers with clean and oxygen-rich water. Whole schools of them often patrol the riverbank. They're on the hunt for food, and these piraputanga have found exactly what they're looking for: the capuchin family. Capuchins are pretty messy eaters, and a lot of crumbs escape their greedy paws directly into the river beneath them. And that's the reason why the piraputanga are following the monkeys. These fish are opportunist feeders. Keeping close tabs on the clumsy capuchins helps them fill their bellies without a hassle. They can grow up to 60 centimeters in length and weigh around 3.5 kilograms. A big part of a piraputanga's daily diet is made up of lots of different tree seeds, and that makes these fish very important for the rainforest as a whole. Not every seed will be digested. Some pass through the fish unharmed, and often reappear in a very different place than before. If the seed makes it to solid ground during a flood, it can take root. Scientists have discovered that piraputanga disperse about 50% of the rainforest plant seeds. But these fish aren't the only gardeners the Amazon River system has to offer. A few tributaries away, another fish is patiently waiting below a tree branch. This is the tambaki, or giant pacu. It's the second largest scaled fish in the Amazon, able to grow up to 1.1 meters in length and reach a weight of 44 kilos. A true colossus. Just like the piraputanga, the tambaki also loves tree seeds. Today, it set its heart on the ripe fruit of a rubber tree. And if a rubber fruit is ripe, you notice it. It bursts open and disperses its seeds. This mostly happens during the seasonal floods, when the water level rises to such heights that a considerable part of the rainforest is suddenly underwater. The seeds are pretty resilient, but the tambaki is perfectly equipped. Its mighty jaws and hard teeth make quick work of the rubber seed. But just like the piraputanga, it doesn't crush all of them. The gut of a large tambaki can hold about 1 kilogram of seeds. The massive fish functions as a delivery service, dispersing the seeds throughout the rainforest. The piraputangas are still following the path of the capuchin monkeys. They haven't yet eaten their fill. The monkeys, however, have had enough. Once the capuchins have had a rest, the young ones spend their afternoon playing in the canopy. Their rambunctious behavior is pretty dangerous. Not so much for the monkeys, but for the unfortunate bugs crawling around on the branches. Just a quick shake and that's it for the bug. The piraputanga isn't a picky eater. Although it does have a preference for fruit and seeds, its diet also consists of insects and other tiny creatures. This varied menu isn't a problem for the fish's digestive system. It can change its digestive enzymes depending on whether it eats plants or meat. At some point, the capuchin monkey group decides to head deeper into the jungle. A pity for the school of piraputanga. They still hadn't had enough of those delicious fruits. Now, they'll have to get their food themselves. Piraputanga are able to leap out of the water and feed on low-hanging seeds and fruits. If they have to, they're able to jump up to 1 meter above the surface. And so, even without the help of the monkeys, they can use this smart technique to grab more delicious treats. Thanks for watching. We have more ingenious fish for you. Check out the Best of Fish playlist, and don't forget to subscribe. We have a new upload every Friday.